Hey guys, EG Scary here. Did you ever wonder what you get when you order styrofoam heads from Amazon? So, this is it. Ba-doom. So, it's not perfect. The nose is a little squished or whatever, but it's perfect for you to store a wig on or a mask. I mean, obviously, it looks like it came out of the scratch and deck pile. But this is what you get for $1.99, free shipping. The things come direct from China, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it's great for storing your masks on. You can build a little stand and stick them on there and have them all on your wall or whatever. Or you can use this on a prop. Nobody will know the difference, what's underneath there. So you can't beat the price. Here's the one trick. One might be $1.99, but if you order more, somehow they start charging you shipping. So you gotta order them all individually. And sometimes they put parameters on your account. So you can only order like one or two individually, and then you have to wait and order more to get the best pricing. So there you have it. Cheap styrofoam heads on Amazon, delivered to your door. Alright guys, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. EG Scary out.